In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new user in Zoho Mail. Whether you're managing a growing team or simply need to add a colleague to your Zoho Mail system, this process is pivotal yet straightforward. Let's walk through the steps together so you can easily onboard the newest member to your email infrastructure without a hitch. Firstly, you'll need to access the Zoho Mail admin console. Head over to your web browser and navigate to the URL https://mailadmin.zoho.com. Once you arrive at the login page, enter your admin credentials. These are unique to you as the administrator, ensuring you have full access to manage user accounts effectively. This secure login step is essential to prevent unauthorized access and protect the integrity of your email system. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself in the admin console's dashboard. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu. From this menu, locate the option labeled Users. Click on it to proceed. This will take you to a dedicated section where you can manage all the users associated with your Zoho Mail organization. It's here that you'll add your new user, so let's focus on that next. In the Users section, you should spot an Add User button. Clicking this will open up a form where you'll need to fill out the user details. It's important to provide accurate information here to ensure smooth communication and functionality. You'll typically need to enter the new user's name, email address, and any other relevant details your organization requires. Remember, accuracy is key to avoid any setup issues later on. Once you've carefully entered all the necessary information, review it for any potential typos or errors before you hit the Save button. This step confirms the creation of the new user in your system. But we're not quite finished yet. There's one final step to complete the process. Now that the user has been successfully created, it's crucial to send them their login credentials. After saving the user details, you can choose to send these credentials through another email or a messaging platform that your organization uses frequently. This ensures that your new user can immediately access Zoho Mail and begin working effectively. It's good practice to communicate this securely, emphasizing the importance of keeping login details confidential to the user. The new user can now log in safely at https://mail.zoho.com using the credentials you provided. Encourage them to log in as soon as possible to confirm that everything is working smoothly. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive guide to adding a new user in Zoho Mail. By following these steps, managing your team's communication needs becomes a seamless endeavor, allowing for better organization and enhanced collaboration. Thank you for watching, and have a great day setting up your new users.